Welcome back to the lab, guys. Today, I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of what I've done. As you can see in the background, I changed the studio up, kind of made it more efficient for me, and I have much better desks now. On top of that, my main reason actually for making this video today is I wanted to give a shout out to Monster Muffin and all the other mods on our home labs, along with everybody else a part of that community, and say congrats on 100,000 subs, and keep going, guys. You guys have been an awesome community, great help. Everything's been fantastic. That community is what's driven me to actually start making these videos and doing what I am. And not only making these videos, yeah, sure, you know what? I don't know everything, but it's been fantastic because as I'm making these videos from my knowledge, I have the community of our home labs telling me, hey, you quite didn't understand this, or you know what? You should try it this way. I've gotten better performance. That's been fantastic to have. And to have this community and this backing is fantastic. I know I've been saying fantastic a lot, but it truly is. It's great, and I can't thank you guys enough. Monster Muffin mod team, thank you. You guys keep it up. Everybody else, keep it up. Let's keep growing. Let's hit 1 million subs, guys. But back to where I wanted to show you guys now. Wanted to come back over here. So, as you can see now, I have my desk here, my monitor set up. I have an L-shaped desk. I'm pretty happy about having an L-shaped desk. I have a lot of room. And what I did is I kind of shifted everything over to the right, and I actually set up my old desk where I was using for the studio, if you go back at some of my older videos, and set it up over here as the lab workbench. And what I actually did is I came over here, and if you notice, I've got 2 power cables. There's my blue for data, my yellow for management, and then I've got my VGA and USB for the KVM that's on the wall that's hooked up to my TV. And so right now I've got 2 systems. If you notice, this system's actually the FreeNAS server. Yeah, I know. I was supposed to set this up like 3 or 4 weeks ago. I have not had the time. And that's one of the other reasons I'm making this video is I want to, say, I'm trying to make as much content as I can. At times, it's very tough. I work a full-time job. I have a family. A lot of things are going on. I was sick. And for me, I'll always end up taking care of family and those around me before I'm going to be taking care of work or any of these videos. So I do apologize sometimes if I do let certain things slip. It's not intentional sometimes, but I do it because I'm trying to make sure that I'm healthy, my kid's healthy, my wife's healthy. So that being said, sometimes videos take a back burner, and I apologize for that. But I strive my hardest to do as best as I can when I have the time and when I have the energy. And I'll always continue doing that. But I want to take you guys now over to the stack. Now, this is actually in pretty bad shape right now. I ended up actually, one of my coworkers needed a PDU. So I let him have my PDU currently, and I'm going to end up taking all of this down and redoing everything. Right now, I just kind of plugged in the C13s into normal plugs, so that way I could actually get power to everything without having to go crazy. Everything's plugged into a surge protector up here. I know it's not looking good. It's not pretty. But there'll be a bunch of videos coming up of us redoing all of that wiring, along with redoing the wiring that's back here. It's probably hard to see. I'm not sure if the camera has the light, but just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of what's going on, what we're doing, how it's been, all the different things. And mainly, yeah, like I started in the beginning, thank you, Monster Muffin. Thank you for this whole community. Thank you, everyone, for being a part of it. But that's it. That brings this video to a wrap, guys. Thanks for watching. Got plenty more updates coming. I'm going to try to do a bunch more content dealing with Windows Server, ESXi, FreeNAS, networking. Like I said, though, sometimes videos go to the back burner. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the lab.